One. So hello everyone, good evening everyone, namaste to all. So let's get started with the video. So today we will discuss how Nifty has performed in the stock exchange, how what are the key support and the resistance level we will discuss today, and then we will discuss how it can perform tomorrow. Like we are close to Nifty expiry. Like I think on Thursday we had a Nifty expiry on 15th of May. So Nitish, let's get started with the video.
Yeah, sure. Hi guys, I'm Nitish. So let's see how the market can perform, and it has performed today. So yeah, as we talked yesterday in our previous video, that the market was trading at a psychological resistance of 25,000. So here it is, and a bit selling was expected. So yeah, the market has made a red candle, a strong red candle, and we have seen the selling which we were expecting. But yeah, it was a bit hard to capture the selling in intraday because of the volatility. Let's see in the 15-minute time frame.
And
The
also, we
markets,
have not got any entry in 5 EMI, if you can see. Like
yeah.
we have not got any entry in 5 EMI. Like we have
Mhm.
discussed this thing yesterday. So we have not got
So
any
it's
entry
okay.
on
So
this.
it's okay. So it's okay. And it was the expiry of Sensex today. And how the premiums performed today, Sarthak?
So like we can today I traded in Sensex, so there's a lot of volatility in the premium. Like a premium of 60 has gone up to 800. So you can see how volatile the market today was. So basically we had an expiry of Sensex today, like today's Tuesday, 13th of May. So there's huge volatility in the market, specifically in Sensex. And I think in Nifty also we have seen a lot
When,
of volatility. But today I'm
yeah,
not trading
volatility was
Nifty,
there.
so
Volatility was there in all the indexes, not specifically Sensex only. Like we can see the
okay,
chart of Nifty in the 15-minute time frame. So
okay.
okay. So let's talk about the major support and resistances now. First, coming to the daily time frame, like we can
On
see the
daily
major
time frame, yeah.
like you can see the major resistance is of 25,000 only for Nifty at the moment, and we have observed selling
Right.
basically like roughly from that area only, like here. Yeah, the resistance gonna
Around
remain the same.
25,000.
Yes, and let's talk about the support. Like if we come to the daily time frame, we can say that uh,
Support is
somewhere
around
around,
24,380 or 400.
yeah, yeah, exactly around this area,
Yeah,
24,400.
400,
We
right.
can we can consider this as a support in the daily time frame, and if we talk about the 15-minute time frame, I think we are already trading somewhere around at the support area only. Like this
Right.
was yes, like this area specifically here can be considered as a support area only in the 15-minute time frame. So
Yeah.
how can we plan to trade the markets tomorrow and specifically Nifty? So let's
Yes.
consider a scenario that the markets open like here only. Like we aren't
Sideways.
expecting a big gap. Like we aren't expecting a big gap or gap down. So
Hmm.
if market opens somewhere around this region, like first of all we'll have to see if the market, if we talk about the put side specifically, if the market gives a strong, like in the 15-minute time frame, the market gives a strong closing below this region, like specifically in the
Below,
15-minute time.
I think put side की बात हो रही है ना?
हाँ, put side की.
हाँ, तो I think 24,550 का लेवल रहेगा. Then we can trade for put.
हाँ, या अगर
Then we can plan a target
24,550,
for yeah 24,400 का target we can plan. If
या
market
अगर
gives a close of around 24,550,
हाँ,
15 minutes में.
yes, but we'll have to see for a strong closing in the 15-minute time frame, and we
Yes.
can,
Yeah.
if it gives something like 24,540, 530 इसके around अगर 15-minute time frame में हम close दे दिया, तो we can expect the market to come to the next support area. That's gonna be, yeah, as we talk,
400.
24,400. So a good, we
Yes.
can capture a good 100, 120 points in that case, but we'll have to see for the
Yeah.
15-minute closing. Like the
Yes.
candle
But
should be strong enough.
there's very less chances of getting a put side trade tomorrow. Like this is our
Yeah,
expectation in
yeah,
the
yeah, yeah.
market.
Yeah, we'll talk about that or too. But as of now, if that happens, then we can plan a trade
Hmm.
accordingly.
Yes.
And let's talk
So
about
if
the call side.
yeah, if like market अगर खुलती है 24,620, then we can I think plan for a up trade, right?
Yeah, but I think I would be more comfortable in the second half for the upside. Like the market opens somewhere
Yes.
around this, spend some times, and like it gives a reversal pattern of like somewhere around this, like a W pattern, and we can trade this.
Right. Right.
And
Right.
basically, if it comes above, like I'll show.
What target we can plan on this? Like if we
Yeah,
trade
sure.
on this level?
Like somewhere if it gives closing in the second half, if it breaks this level, basically around
Okay,
24
around 700.
700. Yeah, then
Okay.
and with a reversal pattern 5 EMA whatever, and then we can
Hmm.
plan for bigger targets. Like first of all, our target should be I think 24 800. We can capture a good around
Yes.
200 points,
Right.
and the second
Hmm.
target should be 25,000, like the major resistance.
Yes.
We
So
don't
Mike,
we aren't
basically
thinking.
market can go up to the previous high, like previous day
Yeah,
high.
basically. Yes. And that's
Okay.
what we are expecting. But yeah,
Hmm.
we are, and I would be more comfortable if that happens in the second half. The market remains sideways in the first half.
Yes.
It would be much better in that case. And like
Okay.
if we jump onto a daily time frame and talk, let me remove the drawings first. Like
लाइक
we can
डेली टाइम
expect it.
फ्रेम में तो वही टारगेट रहेंगे ना 25,000 और
Huh, huh.
सपोर्ट लेवल वही 24,400 है राइट.
Like yeah, right. Like we can expect a candle of some like a green hammer candle like this. That's
Green
what we are
hammer candle,
expecting
yes.
tomorrow. Yes,
Yes.
till
Or a
the
doji candle. Doji can
yeah, or
also
a
be a
doji,
possibility.
or a doji candle. But
Like
I
we can
think
also see the volatility in the market tomorrow, like the same
yeah,
as today we have seen the volatility.
exactly. But according to me, like this is gonna be a major possibility of,
Yeah, yeah, these can be two scenarios. One is this, the hammer, the green color hammer, and
and
the
this
other is the
yeah,
doji
and
candle.
the second will be doji candle, something like this.
Yes. Yeah, right.
Yeah.
So we
So
can see these kind of candles is expected for
hmm,
tomorrow day on Nifty specifically.
hmm. But majorly trending market हम अभी expect नहीं कर सकते कुछ trading sessions में unless and until
Yes.
market breaks 25,000
हाँ, उसके ऊपर होल्ड
basically.
करना चाहिए एटलीस्ट कुछ टाइम,
हाँ
तभी हम
एटलीस्ट
आगे के लिए ट्रेड कर सकते हैं.
एटलीस्ट यस एटलीस्ट डेली टाइम फ्रेम में एक बार इस रीजन के ऊपर जब तक मार्केट एक स्ट्रॉन्ग ग्रीन कैंडल बना के क्लोज नहीं देगी उसके बिना आई डोंट थिंक लाइक अपसाइड हमें
हाँ,
एक
वी
ट्रेंडिंग
शुड बी
मार्केट मिलेगी.
पॉजिटिव टू ट्रेक इन कॉल
यस
साइड.
सी अभी एक ऑप्शन सेलर्स को एक रेंज मिल रखी है ट्रेड करने की बहुत बड़ी. अनलेस एंड अनटिल ऑप्शन
यस.
सेलर्स के बीच पैनिक क्रिएट नहीं होता तब तक मार्केट में ट्रेंड नहीं देखने को मिलेगा. ऑप्शन सेलर पे भी एक बहुत बड़ी रेंज है तो लाइक लेट्स सी हाउ द मार्केट कैन
सो
परफॉर्म.
Nitish, I have one question for you. Like, if I am an option seller, so how should I perform for tomorrow? Like plan for tomorrow. Like, if
लाइक
I have to sell my options call and put on both the sides. So how I make that steady part? Can you please
okay,
explain that?
so first of all, you can like here. Let's mark that. Already the psychological resistance. You can short the 24
25,000.
25,000 call, and
Right.
you have a range like we talked about the support. The support in the
Hmm.
daily time frame was somewhere around here,
24,400.
24,400, and
Yes.
you can short this put,
Okay.
and you can create something like this, and you can like have the premium decay.
Okay. So basically मुझे जो है वो basically trade लेना है कि first of all I have to short the call of 25,000, then I have to short a put of 24,400, right?
Yeah.
Okay. ये मुझे इस वीक के लिए प्लान करना है, right?
इस वीक के लिए.
Okay. Okay.
अभी एक
ठीक है.
बहुत बड़ी रेंज मिल रखी है ऑप्शन सेलर को. अनलेस अनटिल में जब तक ऑप्शन सेलर्स में पैनिक क्रिएट नहीं होता तब तक मार्केट में एक डायरेक्शन नहीं देखने को मिलेगी जब तक ऑप्शन सेलर्स के
Okay.
एसएल हिट नहीं होंगे.
Okay. So basically market will be sideways this week, right? There's no break down or break
साइडवेज बट
up in
लाइक
the
हाँ,
market.
दैट्स व्हाट वी आर एक्सपेक्टिंग. एक
Hmm.
तो न्यूज़ भी थी मार्केट में. आई थिंक दैट हैज ऑल सेटल्ड डाउन बट स्टिल
हाँ.
दैट हैज अ
Yes.
फैक्टर.
Hmm. और आई थिंक न्यूज इतना अब वॉर इतना इफेक्ट नहीं करेगी मार्केट के
या
मतलब मूव को या ट्रेंड को.
अनलेस एंड अनटिल
वो
सम मेजर
इफेक्ट
इवेंट
हो चुका है आई
हैपेंस.
थिंक. यस.
एग्जैक्टली.
क्योंकि अब आई थिंक जो सिचुएशन है वो नॉर्मल हो रही है
Yeah,
आई थिंक
the
इन द वॉर.
situation is under control. Like,
यस.
yes,
Okay, so I think we can discuss today bank nifty levels also. Like we can give them
yeah,
a certain
sure.
bank nifty levels, how they can plan a trade in bank nifty for tomorrow.
Yeah, sure. So, Bank Nifty seems to have almost been sideways today. We can like somewhat sideways. better
Yes,
trend was observed in Sensex and Nifty.
right.
And so let's
So
talk about them. So let's
in
talk
Bank
about the
Nifty, I think 55,100 level is good. Then if Bank Nifty reaches that level, we can trade for a call in that scenario.
yeah,
If we got
exactly.
a closing above 55,100, if I'm not
Yeah,
wrong,
so
that is the
yeah, but
key level.
we'll have to see. Yeah, exactly. But we'll have to see us for a strong closing in the 15-minute time frame.
Right, right,
And
right,
like,
right.
and this like the same as Nifty, like some reversal pattern or something in the second half, it would be better for tomorrow.
Yes,
Let's jump
yes.
onto the 15 minutes time frame. Like, yeah, the market opens sideways, and we can see
Hmm.
this and a pattern or something like this in
Right.
the second half, and it breaks that.
And I think the target would be 55,300 and 500 if we got
Yeah,
a trade in
the
upper side.
yeah, the first target would be this 55,000 somewhere
Okay.
around 320, 330, and the second would be
Okay.
that a good 200 points could be captured.
Okay. And if we trade in a downside, like if we take a trade on input, then I think if the market closes a candle below 54,850, right? 54,850 is my level for Bank Nifty to trade on
Yeah,
downward side.
yeah, exactly. 54, 850 this. And in that
Yeah. If
scenario,
market closes
if
in, yeah.
yeah, if we see a good 15-minute candle closing before below this area, we can like then the
Hmm.
next target is gonna be this somewhere around
I think
this.
we can capture around 350 or 300 points, if I'm not wrong.
Yes, easily.
Yeah, around 250 points. Okay.
Hmm. But we'll have to see for a strong 15-minute closing.
Yes, yes. There is very less likelihood we can see a trade for a down region.
Yeah, yeah,
So
yeah.
there's
Yeah,
the trade
exactly.
will be, I
Like
think,
we
in
talked.
uptrend only.
Yes. Like we talked in Nifty, we can expect that candle.
Yeah. So
So I think,
I think
guys,
we have
that's
covered
it.
all the points in the video. If I'm sure or not wrong, I
Yeah,
think we
we
have
have.
not left anything to discuss. Right?
Okay, so I think,
Okay.
guys, that's
Thank
it.
you, guys. Yeah, that's it from our end. So please stay tuned for more analysis on the market, more updates on the market. We will come back with a new video for a new market analysis tomorrow. So that's it for from our end. So thanks for seeing our video. Thank you all.
And
Bye.
follow for more. Bye.
Have we stopped that for that?